Microsprays like spray jets, downsprays, or fan jets have threads on them that bite into the inside of the tubing riser on their stake. This is how to fix microsprays like spray jets, downsprays, or fan jets that have blown off their tubing riser assembly in a drip irrigation system. And later in the video, I'll show you what to do if your microsprays won't stop blowing off their risers. This is an easy fix that can even be done in many cases while the system is still operating. Just find the emitter and screw it right back into the stake. Pushing down while twisting helps the threads bite into place. If you want to avoid getting wet, turn your system off and twist your microspray back into place. Then you'll just want to validate your repair while the system is running. Make sure the spray jet is spraying uniformly and there are no major leaks. If it won't stay on under pressure, you can snip off the end of the tubing so you can make fresh threads that should stay on nicely. So why do microsprays sometimes blow off their risers? Sometimes weather and water pressure work together to loosen the connection. The emitter's threads grip the inside of the vinyl tubing. Hot and cold temperatures can cause the tubing to expand and shrink, slowly compromising the connection. In some cases, after enough cycles, the emitter can dislodge and pop off. If your microspray blows off again after you fixed it, the first thing that immediately comes to mind, if you've taken all the precautions I shared and your microspray is still popping off its riser, water goes spraying everywhere, so you might be operating at too much pressure. The fix is a simple pressure regulator at your hose bib or head assembly. The pressure regulator will take your water pressure, which is typically around 60 psi for residential water sources, and take it down to 25 psi, which will be much gentler and prevent emitters and fittings from popping off. I've got a video on how to figure out if you need a pressure regulator and which one to get. You can check it out in the top right or description below. If you found this video was helpful, give it a like so that others can too.